Hello, it's Hungry Muncher 775. Today I'm going to teach you how to make fruit salad. So what you want, I'll be right back, is you know what? I promise I'm going to make fruit salad next time, but I have another thing I'd like to show you how to make. What you'll need is some chocolate syrup, some chocolate, some hold on, I'll be right back. And we are going to make vanilla chocolate topping ice cream. Okay, that's what we're going to be making. And you're going to need one more thing. You're going to need Chips Ahoy crumbs. We have these. And then you're going to need any flavored ice cream except for chocolate because you're putting chocolate toppings. And get some ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. Where is the ice cream? Here it is. And some ice cream. And you're going to need a ice cream scooper and a bowl. What you want to do is take a scoop of ice cream as big as you want it. If I could get this open. Almost got it. Got it open now. Hard. Because it's like, oh, got it. Some ice cream, and what you want to do is take a big scoop of it. So you want about well, I'm the only person that I'm gonna eat this. You want about that much. But if you're like serving for like kids and you're serving for like a whole family, you need a lot more. So what you're gonna do is add some chocolate syrup. Just a little. So it looks like that. And then you're going to add some little pieces of chocolate. Actually, Chips Ahoy's. You don't want to make the chips fly all over, so that's why you're going to open it up and just sprinkle a little on top, like that. Oops. And then add some chocolate. Don't worry, that's the clock. You're not going to need any chocolate. And that's how you make chocolate topped ice cream. See you guys next Friday. Bye.